Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today, for class 11, limit of a function. You have already learned the formulas and basic operation. And finding limit by factorization, rationalization, and algebraic function also you have learned. Today, in part 3, another two function we will explain. Before that, one thing I want to tell you, if you observe part 3 first, then you may feel difficulties. You have to observe part 1, part 2 serially. In this way, if you observe, then it will be helpful for learning. So remember this and do accordingly. Okay, now see the board. The trigonometric function. How will you find limit for trigonometric function? By using formula that you have got, that is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 0. Others formulas are given, and another that is exponential and logarithmic function. There is also formula. By using formula you have to do. The formula is limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x by x equal to 1. All the formulas you have to remember. Now see one example that is on board. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 sin 3x plus 7x by 4x plus sin 2x and limit x tends to 0 log 5 plus x minus log 5 by x. By looking this, easily it is clear that is trigonometric function. By using formula, if it is not exactly in the frame of formula, by simplification you have to bring in the frame, then you have to reduce. Next, C. Let x tends to 0 is this. Now sin 3x. Sin 3x by something if you see, then we will get this frame. But here is not given. We have to bring that, and this is why dividing numerator and denominator by x we get sin 3x by 7x by x divided by 4x by sin 2x by x, then equal to limit x tends to 0. You have to simplify. By simplification it is coming sin 3x by x plus 7 divided by 4 plus sin 2x by x. Still now this is not exactly frame of formula. If here is 3, then we will get the frame of formula. How we are bringing the 3 here? See, limit x tends to 0. If I write 3 here, for balance this 3, we are writing 3. This 3 will be cancelled and we will get the frame of formula. In this way, we have to express the expression to bring the frame of formula. And next plus 7 limit x tends to 0. Then basic operation, we have taken limit in numerator and denominator also we may take limit, that is limit x tends to 0 4 plus here also 2x, but we have to bring 2x here. This is why I have bought, and for balancing we are writing 2 here, then we are getting the frame of formula. Okay, up to this no problem. Then we have to simplify. This 3 will come outside of the limit, and sin 3x by 3x plus this divided by limit x tends to 0 4, and this 2 will come outside of the limit, and this is limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by 2x. This is, and this expression we are getting the frame of formula. So now we will apply the formula. When we are applying the formula, then we will not write the limit. So 3 into in place of 1, in place of this we have to write 1, and limit of constant, that is same, that is 7, divided by limit of constant, that is 4, and limit x tends to 0, that is also 1. By simplification, we are getting 10 by 6 equal to 5 by 3 equal to 1 and 2 by 3. Sum is completed up to this. If you do correctly, then you may expect the full marks. Now see the another sum, that is part 2, in which way it is coming. You must notice attentively. See part 2, limit x tends to 0 log 5 plus x minus log 5 divided by x. This is also not exactly frame of formula. We have to bring in the frame of formula. In which way? This is the logarithm expression, so we may write this log 5 plus x by 5 by quotient rule. That is, since log m by n equal to log m minus log n, that you have learned at class 9. So by applying that formula, we are getting this expression 5 plus x by 5. Now we have to simplify more for getting the frame of formula. See, limit x tends to 0 log 5 by 5, that is 1, x by 5 divided by x. This is x by 5. This, instead of this, if I simplify, then we may get the frame of formula. So let x by 5 equal to y. Therefore, y tends to 0 as x tends to 0, and x equal to 5y. X equal to 5y. I think it is also clear. If you observe the previous video, then easily you will understand this, and you have to notice the previous video, otherwise you may feel the difficulties. So you must follow now. Limit x tends to 0, and this is log 1 plus x by 5 equal to y by x. X equal to 5y. Oh, this is expressed in y, so this y tends to 0 because the expression is converted into y. Now, still we are not getting exactly frame. Now we have to simplify more. This is a constant 1 by 5, then easily it will come outside of the limit, that is 1 by 5 limit x tends to, y tends to, this is not x, y tends to 0, y tends to 0 log 1 plus y by y. Now we are getting the frame. So we may apply this 1 by 5 into, this is 1, so 1 by 5. This is the answer. So sum is completed. Now the sum is completed. Now we may think the finding limit of a function by 3 videos, it is completed. Still, if you feel any difficulties by observing repeatedly, I may assure you will get the confidence, and this confidence will help you to reach the top position in your life. Okay, thank you everybody.